Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can upgrade to Windows 11 for free, actually entirely for free. I will also show you whether or not your PC meets the minimum requirement for Windows 11. It's better that your PC meets these requirements, but if it doesn't, then it's not the end of the world. There is a solution for that as well, which I will show you in this video. Windows 11 was officially released on October 5th. And you can now upgrade to the released version of Windows 11 entirely for free. Let's check it out. Before upgrading to Windows 11, you should probably check if your PC is even capable of running Windows 11. To find that out, go to the following website. I have included the link up and in the video description as well. Once you go to the website, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you will see a link with the system requirements. You can either manually check the system requirements for Windows 11 or you can download the PC Health Check app, which is much easier. Once you download and install the app on your PC, run the app and it will show you if your PC qualifies. Here I have downloaded and opened up the PC Health Check application. Let's click on this button and it looks like my PC qualifies. If your PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11, don't worry, you still have two different options. First option is you can continue using Windows 10. Microsoft has stated that they are going to continue supporting Windows 10 until 2025. So that's one option, but if you really want to get Windows 11, you can still get Windows 11 even if your hardware is not capable of running it. And to do that, you need to download the ISO version of Windows 11. When you download the ISO, it will bypass the system requirement checks. Once again, I have included the link down in the video description box for you to download the ISO version of Windows 11. So are there any downsides if you install Windows 11 on your PC that doesn't support it? Microsoft has stated that you might not get the security or driver updates if you take this path, but maybe in the future they will support all the PCs. So it's a risk that you will have to take, but there is a way to get Windows 11, and I will walk you through how you can get the ISO at the end of this video. When you upgrade to Windows 11, it will keep all your different applications and personal data, so you shouldn't lose anything. But it's always a good idea to back up your files and data before upgrading to Windows 11. You can simply back up all your files to an external hard drive or use an alternative option, which is to use Microsoft's OneDrive. That's a cloud storage solution. If you are interested in learning more about OneDrive and how it works, then let me know in the comment box, and I will make a separate tutorial on how you can use the OneDrive. With all of that out of the way, let's upgrade to Windows 11. To upgrade to Windows 11 for free, click on your Start menu, then select Settings. Then select Update and Security. And right up at the top, you should see whether you can upgrade to Windows 11. Simply click on Download and Install. It will take a few hours, but at the end you will have Windows 11. What if your PC qualifies but you don't see a download and install option? Or if your PC doesn't qualify, just go to the following website. I have included the link down in the description box. On this website you have three different options for installing and upgrading to Windows 11. The first one uses an assistant, which is probably the easiest way to install Windows 11. I recommend going with this approach. The second option allows you to create installation media. So let's say you want to have a USB stick that you can use to install Windows 11. In that case, you can use this approach. And the third option is to create an ISO file. So let's say your hardware does not support running Windows 11. You can use this option. When you download an ISO file, it will be a file with an extension of .iso. You can then click on that file and it will kick off the installation process. Alright, well, hopefully you are able to upgrade your PC to Windows 11. To watch more videos with best tips and tricks on Windows, check out the playlist right up above. Also, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.